Hello everyone, welcome to week 3. So I'm just going to, I don't know why this happened. Let me take you to week 3 module. So let's see. So as always, go to overview objectives. So this is where you will get to know what we will be doing this week and also what is it that you have to do before the Zoom meeting. And I'm going to put the video right here, what I'm talking right now. So in case you forget, you can always access this. All right. So we are moving on to the next topic, which is healthcare. And we will start with first discussing healthcare in the US, and then we will look at healthcare around the world. And you will also do a group presentation. So now let's see, what is it that you need to do before you come to class on Wednesday, before our Zoom class, right? So first you want to go through the Unit 2 vocabulary. Just go through the list, understand the meaning of the words, and we will review them in class. Then this is important. This is a basic introduction to healthcare. So you want to click on this. And if you go to this link, it'll open up and you will see this. So you have to hit each tab. So read the introduction, and then you do the healthcare system, and you read the insurance. That's all you have to do. So then you answer these 8 questions and submit your answers right here before you come to class on Wednesday. So which means June 2nd night. Okay. So then you have to do this. You have to listen to a short video and fill out this worksheet. It's about the history of healthcare in the country. This will give you a good background about the healthcare system, and this needs to be done by Tuesday night as well. All right. Those are the only 2 things you will actually submit. The rest is for you to just read and participate. One is you will read this article on 4 basic models for healthcare by accessing it here, and just read it and once or twice understand what it is all about, because we will be doing an activity in the Zoom class. And the last one is participate in this discussion. So by Tuesday night, try to answer these 2 questions and post your reply. If you want, you can go and respond to someone else. If not, at least post your answers before our class on Wednesday. And then you have the whole week to respond to 2 other people. So essentially, those are the things you need to do before the Zoom class. So let me go through it one more time. So go through the Unit 2 vocabulary, do the reading assignment, do the listening assignment. These 2 are the only 2 you're going to submit by Tuesday night. Then you're going to read this article and you're going to participate in the discussion. The rest, we will do it when we meet via Zoom. Okay? So that's pretty much, and I will see you on Wednesday.